we went to the temple which is quite famous, which is Kashi Vishwanath temple, and we had the vision, basically the Shivling, and it was quite crowded place. But we were like a very I can say fortunate that we could.
Good evening, Nutan.
Very good evening.
How's your day so far?
So far so good. Thank you. You tell me what about you?
My day is also going good. Yes.
Nice.
So today I will ask some questions. Are you ready for it?
Okay. Okay. Yes. Go on. Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. So tell me your favorite color.
My favorite color is yellow.
Why? Is there any specific reason? When
No,
you are
I don't
wearing
know.
yellow dress, that time something is special.
No, this is not the case. Actually, I love all the color, but specifically, if I tell you that yes, it's yellow,
Mm-hmm.
mustard yellow. Yeah, I feel
Mm-hmm.
so good. The kind of positivity I automatically starts, getting when I wear a yellow color dress. Yeah.
Okay. Are you a homebody?
Yes,
Are you? Hmm.
I am.
Why? Why you don't like to go outside?
Because you can say I have become so much habitual to this, staying at home, doing nothing as a, housewife.
Hmm.
We are taken for
Hmm.
granted and all. So yes, and now I have become so much, I can say, accustomed to it. So
Hmm.
now I feel like, and I really, I can say, really like to stay at home.
Hmm. Are you foodie?
Yes, I am. I can say yes. Glutton.
Hmm.
Sometimes glutton.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what's your favorite food?
All sweets.
Hmm? All
Yeah.
sweets?
All sweets. Sweets item. Yeah. Sweet item. Yeah.
Sweet items. And in like dresses, what kind of dresses always attracts you?
Nowadays, I am quite inclined to wear a sari, which is the Indian attire, famous attire it is. And earlier, I used to wear kurta and
Mm-hmm.
like a straight and frock style kurta. And nowadays, I prefer wearing a sari, and I also like wear a sari.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. And who is your favorite actor of Bollywood cinema?
Nobody, no one,
Nobody. Okay. And favorite actress?
no one. I don't really like.
Hmm. And in South cinema, anyone is your favorite?
Um, Not this much. Not.
Hmm.
Uh,
Okay. Are you fond of watching movies?
Earlier I used to be, I can say, I was very fond of not, I would say, movies, but yes, classical songs, and I used to sing. I used to hum basically, and nowadays I also do the same thing. But earlier I used to watch movies with my
Sorry.
family. With,
Mm-hmm.
it's okay, with my family, like old movies, classical movies, not nowadays many like Bollywood movies are in vogue, so I don't really like, I don't really appreciate basically.
So tell me some your favorite movies.
Right now, yeah, I if I tell you some other thing,
Uh-huh.
if you allow me,
Yes, yes,
it's not
you
about
can say.
movies basically. Like earlier, I used to fond of watching Rishi Kapoor movies and
Mm-hmm.
Shashi Kapoor movies earlier, not
Mm-hmm.
nowadays, or Dharmendra movies. Little bit, little stories. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So recently you have visited Banaras.
Yes.
So share some your experiences regarding Banaras. Because Banaras is a famous pilgrims of Hindu, Jainis and Buddhists also. And there is a famous university, BHU. It is the largest university of Asia.
Yeah. So true. Yeah.
And you know, there is one thing special. Mahatma Buddha has given his first sermon on that place.
Yes. Yes.
And you
Right.
have visited recently, so share some your experiences.
Yes, yes, definitely. I would love to share. First of all, I would say that it was quite enthralling. And for the first time, I visited over there, like in Banaras, and my family. and my sister family. We went there, and it was quite exciting, and we had so much fun on the train as well, because after a long time I got this opportunity, I can say, because I really enjoyed traveling by train. Okay, so yeah, when we reached over there in Banaras, so in the morning, after having a shower, we went to the temple which is quite famous, which is Kashi Vishwanath temple, and we had the vision, basically the Shivling, and it was quite crowded place, but we were like a very I can say fortunate that we could see the vision of the Shivling
Mhm.
in the temple. So it was quite enthralling and overwhelming, I can say. And yes, after that, we had our breakfast, and then yeah, we did a lot of shopping, I can say. Like there is a Banarsi sari, which is Indian attire, quite famous in Banaras. So I bought two sari, and my sister also bought two sari. And apart from this, some stuff like some necklace, some like bangles, we bought over there, and we really enjoyed over there. And in the evening, we went to the Ganga Ghat, which is quite famous, and we went to Asti Ghat. There are a lot of names like Asti Ghat, Nabbe Ghat, and all. So we went to Asti Ghat, which is called Ganga Ghat. And there, I saw the ambience was quite captivating. Like there was so much lightning, and I can say the lights were glistening. It was so
Mhm.
lightning here and there, and yeah, bhajan were being sung, and the conch was being played, and so much positivity in
Okay.
that. Hello, something
Yes.
wrong. Yeah, I think something wrong happened. Yeah, yeah. So I was saying,
Mhm.
and then we there were a lot of foreigners, and we had a boat riding there, and
Mhm.
when we like boarded on the boat, and the Ganga water was quite stagnant initially, and when we as we moved ahead, it was like all of a sudden I saw that the water is quite wavering. Okay, and then it starts raining. Initially it was
Mhm.
drizzling, and then it starts pouring. So yeah, after I think 20 to 25 minutes, we came back to the ghat, and that's how we enjoyed a lot. And we had a lot of I can say food delicacies over there, and different varieties of tea, let's say milk tea, and yeah, it's black tea and mixed spice tea. So we enjoyed a lot after having all these kind
Mm.
of varieties. Yeah.
And in the train, like there are the window seat also available. Do you
Yes.
like this seat?
Yeah, I really like, and I seated over there. I grabbed the window seat because I really like sitting like with this way. And because when we sit when we grab a window seat, so what happens, we can see all the things outside, the greeneries, the trees, and the fields, basically fields and the houses. So yeah, it just fills our mind with the positivity. So we can
Mm.
see all the things, we can just have the sight, basically.
Mm. And nowadays there are cruise also available in Banaras.
Yes,
Am
yes.
I right?
Yes, yes.
Mm.
There were some cruise, but the cost was quite high, like 400 per person. So we preferred, going with not cruise, with the boat riding, and it cost 200 one person, but the cruise cost was quite high. Yeah.
Mm. Mm. So I think you are feeling right now very refreshed.
Yeah, when we
Mm.
go out like such places, we can we can fill our mind with the freshness, with the positivity. So yeah, on like I can say, in 1 year definitely people should go out like this, hang out, something like that. Yeah, in such places,
And
such sacred and pious places. Yeah.
and what do you think about Banaras railway station? Because nowadays I think it's totally renovated.
Yeah, it was, yeah, definitely. And the amenities was can you
Yes.
hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear
Yeah,
you. Yes.
yeah, Yeah, so the amenities was quite good, and the, I can say, the cleanliness was being performed very good way. So yeah, it was really nice.
Hmm. So now we will share some idioms and phrases. Are you ready for it?
Yes, yes, I'm ready.
So
Okay.
share some good words
Yeah,
or vocabulary.
definitely, definitely. First of all, I will start with one word, which is ostracize. Ostracize mean to refuse somebody.
हुक्का पानी बंद करना. It means
Yeah,
हुक्का पानी बंद करना. To
yes,
ostracize
yes, right.
someone.
To refuse
Okay.
somebody to allow to be in a group or in a community, like was
Mm-hmm.
this. Okay. And the another word which is quite relatable to this word, which is elope. Elope,
Elope.
this.
Elope means I think भाग जाना.
Yes,
Elope.
yes, secretly, to run away
Hmm.
secretly, to get married.
Yes. Yes.
Run away secretly to get married. Yeah. So because one boy and a girl, they just eloped, because of that now they are ostracized. So two words we can interconnect. Right.
Hmm. Yes. Now I am sharing one idiom. Born into
Okay.
purple. It means when you born into a royal family or privileged family. The meaning
Okay.
of this idiom. Some persons are always, born into the royal family, so they don't know what is the poverty. That time we can use this idiom.
Yes, yes, nice.
And
So
born with a silver spoon. Born with a
okay.
silver spoon in one's mouth. And in Hindi we can say चांदी का चम्मच लेके पैदा होना.
Right, right, nice. And now one word I will use, inebriated. Inebriated. This means totally intoxicated person.
Mm-hmm.
Addictive to some alcohol. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And other
Mm-hmm.
word I can use, glistening. This means brightening or shining. And
Mm-hmm.
next word I can use, flack. This means severe criticism.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And next word, euphoria. The spelling
Euphoria.
is,
Okay.
yeah, I will spell this, Euphoria. Euphoria means, a state of being happiness. The person is kind of full happiness. Then we can use this word, euphoria.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. And now I'm sharing a very famous idiom. अंधों में काना राजा. And in English, it is called In the Land of the Blind, the One-Eyed Man is King.
Okay.
And next
Nice.
one is हाथी के दांत दिखाने के और खाने के और. It means all glitters are not gold.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Nice.
Yes. Any other?
Yes. Coming events cast their shadows before. This means in Hindi
Hmm?
we can say पूत के पाँव पालने में दिख जाते हैं. Like was
Mm-hmm.
this? Coming events cast their shadows before.
Mm-hmm. Good. Good. Any other?
Yeah, it's the pronunciation is gauge and the spelling is gauge. When we write
Hmm.
down it, it will be pronounced gauge, Gauge. But the pronunciation is gaze, not gauze. Gaze. This means to estimate. Okay, to estimate the situation, basically the assessment of something like
Hmm.
that. Like was this?
Okay. So I think we have shared so many idioms and phrases.
Yes,
And I think we should now wrap up this session.
yes, yes. We can. Yeah.
Great.